Welcome back, guys. I have got another fantastic vodka-based martini for you, but this one, it's going to be blueberry. Ugh, so good, so refreshing, and it's perfect for spring because it needs to get here sooner than later. So this is going to be a shaken cocktail. We are going to be using our shaker tin. Make sure you have your jigger so you can properly measure things. We are going to be using fresh juice today, so we'll be using both our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer, and of course our martini glass. We will be using fresh lemon juice, orange liqueur, blueberry syrup, as well as your favorite type of vodka. And as always, we have got the entire ingredient list right down below so you can build it right along with me. So we're going to get started with half an ounce of fresh lemon juice, half an ounce of orange liqueur. We're going to do a full ounce of blueberry syrup. This stuff is awfully thick. Rawr. Okay. And then we're going to do 2 full ounces of your favorite vodka. And then we are going to fill the entire shaker tin up with ice so we can chill the cocktail all the way down. And shake away. As always, shaker tin, ice cold in my hand. We're going to pop the top off. We used fresh juice, so we're going to use our Hawthorne strainer and our mesh strainer. And we've got our martini glass. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is one I am going to enjoy. Get all that deliciousness out of our mesh strainer. And I have got a lemon twist for our garnish. There it is, our blueberry vodka martini. Until the next pour, guys, don't forget, share, like, comment, and subscribe. Cheers.